Alright, you guys, you see we have this 56-inch Crompton greaves. Before I get to that, I just want to make a side note. I did get the switch inside the housing. It actually looks pretty good. So that's in there. It's actually screwed in there, so it's not coming out. Obviously I'll have to unscrew it and wire it up later on, but just wanted to do that. I made a video earlier showing I couldn't get it to go and I had to leave it out. But after that, here you have the 56-inch Crompton greaves in brown. I got one complete and I have one that's parts one. This is the other motor. This is the one that's had the parts. It's got the blades and the brackets. All it's missing are the blade, the bracket screws, and the campies. Besides that, this motor does work fine, as I will show you. Right there we go. So it does run. Again, plug that out. Oh, come on. There we go. Alright, so let's start this guy off. Going on the load. Get the tags off this one. And come. There we go. So low speed with the Dayton 3-speed control. Dayton variable speed control. It's a very static low. Go ahead and go to a movie. Yeah, low is drawing, I think, 0.3, something like that. 0.3, 0.2. Medium speed. 0.5. Let's go ahead and go to high. Might be the fastest, but definitely does move good air. On high, we're drawing 0.72. Seems spin down to be pretty fast. Both of these motors are pretty stiff. This one's a lot worse than that one. The one hanging is a lot better. The one after parts is a lot worse. So probably will not make a video of the second one running. I know the motor works, so I'm probably just gonna sell it as is. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with everything else. So yeah. There you go. Thanks for watching.